of all, what you want to do is make 2 little bobbles right there. There's 1 and there's 2. And you're going to take the second one you've made, fold it down to the rest of the balloon, and then twist that together. So here I am twisting that together. There we go. So you twist that round, and this is going to be the head of the dog. There we go. There it is. Looks perfect. You can see it. There's the ears. There's the nose. Perfect. And then the rest of the balloon is going to be the body. So then you want to make the legs and the body. So you're going to make 1 little twist there. I think I might have made mine a bit too big. This was supposed to be the neck, the first bit. I think I made mine a bit too long, like a giraffe. But then you make another one. And then I believe you make a 3rd one, if I'm correct. Yeah, you make a 3rd one. There we go. Making sure not to pop the balloon like I did on the first attempt. And then what you want to do is take the last 2 that you made, fold them back in on themselves, and then twist it together. And this will make the legs of the balloon dog. So here we go. This is me just figuring it out. There we go. And then you twist that on like so. And then you should have the legs for the dog. And then you should be ready to do the next 2 legs for the dog. And then you're all done. So there we go. Just twisting that on. And those are the dog's legs. As you can see, I think the first twist came undone there, but there you go. So what you have to do is you just twist those on, and you should have the first set of legs, and then basically do the exact same process for the second set of legs. Like so. Here I am doing it, and this should get you the rest of your balloon dog. So yeah, make 3 twists, make sure to save enough space for the tail, twist it back in on itself, and then twist it back on like so. And here I am twisting it back on, and that should be everything. Mine wasn't perfect, but this is basically what you need to do. I might have just made a few short gaps here and there, which makes some parts of it look a bit longer than others, but overall, I'll just twist that back on. I think it's the neck area that I messed up, but if you just do a little bit of a shorter neck, it should look perfect. So there is the balloon dog, or balloon giraffe.